Hi everyone, welcome. I'm so excited to be sharing some new stuff with you today. We've expanded our Camelot Dots line in both novelty and licensed character designs. We've even added a new commodity under the Dotzies brand. So excited! I can't wait to share with you guys. So much to cover, so let's get started. We are always on the lookout for the bright, bold colors, so we've added these stunning new designs for all levels to the novelty assortment. Playful, fun, and sweet in the beginner and intermediate levels. Mystical, traditional, tranquil in the larger canvases for our advanced and pro level daughters. There's even a full drill piece that will undoubtedly impress. The results? Always a masterful work of art. I mean, look at these colored gems shine. Adding to our licensed character kits, we've gone big. We've expanded Star Wars and the Mandalorian assortment with this extra large panoramic canvas of Mando and the Child. Who's not gonna love Grogu the Child in this full drill canvas kit? The ever cute Grogu in the starter kit? And watch out, my fellow Jedi, this spectacular galaxy orbiting Death Star on a black sparkle ground. It's out of this world.
That's no moon. It's a space station.
Words can't even express these large-scale canvases featuring Hogwarts in both daylight and twilight in full drill format. Stunning! And now, something to really get excited about, we've added new bling under the Dotzies brand. We've got diamond painting bracelets, diamond painting pouches, and diamond painting stickers. Let's take a closer look. Starting off the bracelet launch in style with Minnie Mouse, stickers with Mickey, Minnie, the Mandalorian, and Harry Potter, and a full range of licensed characters in zipper pouches. Let's take a look at each one. We've got a tray with 3 bracelets inside, instruction sheets, dots, pen tool, wax, and tray. For the stickers, we've got same components, dots, tray, wax, and stylus instructions, and 3 stickers. Notice how all of them are, everything is peggable. And we've got our pouch. We've got the instructions printed on the inside of the card, your pouch, dots, tray, wax, and stylus pen. So much fun to make. Ready to embellish your favorite items, carry along possessions, and just be mini glamorous. I hope you're as excited as we are about these new releases. Don't forget to check your price list for all UPCs, SKUs, packing information, and price. And there's a link in the price list under every tab for every one of the items that you saw in this video. It'll bring you to the catalog so you get all your information there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.